国际新闻来关心上新的消息，这是美国股市三大指数收盘是创关到历史新高。伫16个时，道琼指数开盘1点钟就徛起哩4万点，这是史上的头一届。市场分析师是表示讲，因为通货膨胀下降，加上预期讲联准会9月份有可能会降利息，较乐观的甚至认为7月份就有可能提早降利息，这拢有带动投资者的信心。
美国16开盘了后，三大指数全部拢起早盘各破历史新高，其中道琼工业指数开盘1点钟徛起4万点大关，史上头一摆。市场分析师指出，美国4月通膨数据降温，所以带动股市反弹起到历史新高。
We don't want to see inflation start to creep back up, right? That has been the word of the month. That's where everybody's really hyper focused on. If inflation continues to do what it does, then we can see obviously, the market continue to go higher and corporate profits continue to be resilient.
分析师还强调，虽然道琼工业指数无亲像标普500或者是纳斯达克指数被看做赢，民间反映市场出现甲投资人的兴趣。不过，道琼工业指数历史真久。第一波大众心中的分量也是真悬，徛起4万点大关，会用提振投资人信心。互美股继续行悬，也缓解利率会阁调悬的几率，甚至7月都有机会提早降利息。
I don't see the Fed cutting 3 or 4 or 5 times. I think maybe once this year, perhaps. And so I think, as we watch and wait for what they're going to do, the fewer cuts that ultimately wind up materializing, the more pressure that puts on equities.
全道琼收盘收达等到39819点，不过市场普遍看好美国整体经济保持稳健，未阁衰退，甚至快速成长。记者综合报道。